pass and move. But you know she got in a ginger in my groove. Pass and move. Mama sita tingo shakera mutuze. Pass and move.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Pass and Move special. Today we are here at White City Main Stadium. It's the Tibula Matibula top 4, 3rd and 4th, and also the final day. It's a Sunday, the 15th of March. It's the Pacific Breeze, the Southern Region Soccer League soccer tournament here at White City. We're here at the White City Main Arena. It's the 3rd and 4th bronze medal match between Bulawayo City and Casemine Football Club. It's halftime. It's 1-1. We'll be speaking to the fans or the lovers of the beautiful game, and also the administrators and the coaches of the 4 teams that are here today in this Pacific Breeze Southern Region Soccer League. We'll be updating you everything that's happening here today. Stay tuned to Deb3 TV. Bossis Bamilom Dala, welcome to Deb3 TV. Lishap.
Sishap kakhulu linjani?
Yellow bonu shap.
Indri right stereki.
Totende kana muribo. Muri wona say game wana sisters.
Game bora riri kutambiwa zvaro. Vakomana vari kutamba. Saka tichazoona kuti zvobuda ndezvipasai kutamba vakomana vari kutamba zvavo bhora riri kunakidza singaiti.
Sister, ubona njani i-tournament le idibula matibula i-top 4 izolo idlaliwe namhla sizobona la ama-3rd and 4th then bye sizabona i-final. Ubona njani i-tournament yona le?
I-tournament le right kakhulu kuyakhuthaza sibili abafana labo ukuthi bedlale sibili sibona ukuthi ama-talent abo kungaphi la ngaphi bashoda ngaphi le technical angikhona ucoach ukuthi sibone ukuthi basebenza njani. Sebesibona lapha lalaphana laba bayenzile i-tournament bayabona labo ukuthi bengalungisa maybe ku-technical akuba kuma-ref bebona ukuthi kungaba njani.
Ngiyayithanda into ukuthi uhle wabamba konke wahle wabamba labo ref ukuthi isizini ingakaqalisa ukuthi sase-tournament le abantu bebona ukuthi labo ref basebe-ready yini. Wena mna ubona njani so far ibhora?
Hayi ibhola li-right sibadlala kuhle hayi vele ama-ref amanye right sibe lisharp sibe.
Usupporta yiphi?
I-Casemine FC.
Usupporta i-Casemine? Siyabonga mnawami. Sister wona usanjena ukuthi unosupporta yiphi?
Mina ngisapota i-Casemine FC. Ngelikhangele so lejesi langikhona kubhaliwe la Casemine.
Sona bakuthi vele ngidlalela ama-support i-Casemine. Sister la ngowe-Casemine?
Casemine sonke la. Yeah.
But so far liyepi ngendlela i-Casemine edlala ngayo ku-3rd and 4th?
Yeah, okwanamhla iyazama sibili. Okwanamhla hayi lathi siyathembisa ukuthi maybe lathi singasuka sile something. Yeah.
Hayi siyabonga bosise abahle lesophi i-Casemine yeza bangu-number 3 njoba kuyi-1-1 so
khuleko wemuntu wonke sibili athi siyakhuleka so ukuthi sihambe la imali sikhuleka sibili suke lathi sibophile sibili sikhulekile ukuthi Casemine FC hoye.
Alright siyabonga sister, please remember to subscribe to Deb3 TV and siyabonga. Gogo linjani?
Ngiyaphila linjani lani?
Hayi thina siyaphila. Welcome to Deb3 TV Gogo.
Yebo siyabonga.
Gogo sizibukelela ibhora izolo ngeke ngakuthi chazi ubukela ibhora la namuhla futhi khanye ibhora liyakuchaza
kakhulu ngiyalithanda.
Uzihambela labazukulu bakho so isizini nxa isiqalisile uyabuzibukela labazukulu bakho ngama weekends lizotshona lizibukelela ibhora
vela ngaze love noma yipi game.
Bakhona so far abakuchazayo laba ama-player le team ekuchazile from izolo oyiyothi iyo isupportayo?
Ya iBulawayo City izolo indlalele kamnandi kodwa bengize supporta inkaya. Kodwa ngakholisa kakhulu indlela iBulawayo City edlale ngayo.
Ugogo yena la 53?
Sorry?
Ngithi ugogo la 53?
Ayi mina ngiseflabosi.
Kodwa lizithandela inkaya.
Ngilomntwana odlalayo enkaya.
Uthambani.
ngoThino Tenda onguyubhabhulu 53.
Siyabonga gogo, sithemba ukuthi kulokhuzeni kufinally inkayi izawina.
Iye lathi sikhangelele njalo yikho sithe noma kunetha sibuye sizemsupporta sisupport team yethu 53. Ngoba ngiyayithanda kakhulu la ngendlela edlala ngakhona.
Hayi siyabonga kuhle ukubona abazali bebuya bezosupport abantwana abadlalayo. Laba ngabazukulu. Hello mzukulu. Uyaphila? Uzosupport malume? Azi mzukulu.
Sawanani.
Unjani?
Ngiyaphila.
Hello mzukulu.
Sawanani.
Lilibona njani ibhora?
Liyachaza.
Liyachaza. La izolo belikhona logogo. So selihamba logogo la sezithandela ibhora. Hayi siyabonga gogo mabani sibonga sasithoranga.
Gogo Masibanda.
Hayi siyabonga Masibanda liqhubeke lisupport sure abazukulu.
Siyabonga kakhulu kumele sibakhuthaze sibili.
Liyazibonela yikho esikwenza lapha eDep3 TV sikhuluma labazali babantwana abasupport abathanda ibhora. Siyabonga ukuthi ugogo uzosupport umntwana uzihambela labazukulu kuyinto enhle kakhulu utshenzela ukuthi iPacific Southern Region isilethela ibhora abantu abasela sizungu babuya bezoshona bechitha isizungu bezibukelela ibhora okuyinto enhle kakhulu. Gogo njengoba isizini izaqalisa bangathi bayabhadalisa uza continue buya.
Mina vele noma ukubhadaliswa ngiyabuya labazukulu bamambachi.
Siyabonga nice one gogo siyabonga kakhulu qhubekani libukele khona apha ku Dep3 TV lokho sililethela uhlelo khona apha Shamachita. Welcome to Dep3 TV.
Yes. How are you?
Karos vai pressure likhulume isikhiyo.
Yes, so lami mbona imic ngabona le camera. Yazi ngahle ngaba le pressure la ninye serious. Then I was like English baba. One time.
So we change and speak in English.
I can do both.
Nice one. So gents sibukeli top 4 lapha namhla i3rd and 4th. I think izolo belikhona. Libona njani so far igame lokuthi Southern Region ngani lonyaka ibuya ngolunya ibuya ngomunye umfutho. So far igame libona njani magents?
Hayi lapha bathole nzima kula bhora la. Hayi kula bhora la.
Kula bhora?
Hayi asikaboni ibhora lichaza.
From izolo?
Hayi thina sibuye namuhla.
Oh alright. Mchita?
From ukubona kwami oragireka ntori nishona. Sekona kwangwa ndangandripa napa nezuru. Naona BCC chitamba newange. BCC iri kutaza kugoesa mabhora mastrikers acho amene kuti anotamba sei. Newange yacho havasi kugoesa. Mugona seizvi tichiri kutaura madefense acho zvese timu yacho yakafa amene kuti chii chiri kuitika maize. So far hatisati taona game rewange nengai ndo mateams anenge ari nani. Ngai inogoesa mabhora inotamba bhora rakanaka. So far tisazoona kuti kana league yatanga inenge ichitamba sei. Ndosekuona kwangu.
Wena ke my bro?
It's too early to undermine other teams. We got other good teams like we got Talent Vision, other teams. So we don't know. We can't decide yet. You see, it's top 4 for last year's Southern Region Division 1. So we can't determine the tempo or the play or the teams that will be in the top 4 or the good teams. We say the night is still young for our judgment for now.
But for a tournament lesi kubonile from izolo la namuhla kuyini elikubonayo lina from izolo la namuhla?
Say siyabona ama team there bayakwanisa ukudlala njani ibox but ezubhudwami lapho khulumilani i-final third i-finishing we don't have clinical strikers. Singabala clinical strikers, clinical finishing, and then we can talk about we have teams like Wangan who got good strikers, good finishers. Teams like Nkai. If you saw Nkai yesterday, good composure, first on the ball. Even Yabona Veluti, Ihanga game and Ikona, very good. So my advice is these teams should have hungry strikers. The strikers should be composed in the box, composure. That's all I can say.
All right, nice one, Machins. Siyabona i-case mine sihlohlile yesilida la sokuyi-2-1 ngani yeza ezaba ngu-number 3. Otherwise Machida, nice one. Asikhontinue sibukele ibhora. Thanks Machida. Sharp Machida. Sharp member, bona uthiwa kula bhora. La uvumelana nawo member.
Mina ngobona kwamani ayafana abe-BCC ababe serious la bekele ukusibukela izinto zabo la. Ngoba silakho ukuyina na but ababe serious uphela.
Nice one Machida. Sharp. Welcome to Tape 3 TV. Ndamafans ebhora lapha sibukele ifinal lapha iWange taking on Inka United. iWange yadliwa 2-0. Ndabo Puras bama abakhaya bazijilele emnandi. Bo Puras bam Sharp.
Sharp team.
Hamba Puras.
Good hamba my brother.
Amna emnandi. Libona njani top 4 le Southern Region iDibula Matibula.
Yachaza iSharp kakhulu but ayifuna ama-touches but iSharp.
So usolani wena uyabona ngani ulento iso
ampho usora wonke athi izulu ade sidlale khona eground ngale iground ingekho favorable but namhle brand yaphuma ama-talent kanye yakhanya sibili izulu into zabo ngani isikathathu uloni ngaka so kungekho that up to that standard sibili kuphela into ngiyadinga ngiyayisola kuphela others konke akuSharp kachaza.
You happy with the standard of i-Southern Region Division 1 i-tournament le njengoba iqalisa isizini sizaqalisa?
Nasofa athe izinto ehamba ngayo inkaya ngani yathembisa la inkaya yathembisa this umnyaka wayo lo ulike juice la ulike juice
iyangena
ayangena fair igive le
Puras yami uvumelana naye lapho Puras sithi inkaya ngani engenayo.
Yeah. Ukuthi ama-cup game lama-league games ahlukana. Lama-league most kuyabe sokuyi-marathon manje. Ofit nguyokwanisa ukuthi uyanjani. But ngokubona kwami inkaya hayi in terms of position ba good. And le yathi first half ibidlala nge-lone striker which is that kuba affecta bebe behind the ball. Even ungazi befaka ibhora eflicker la muntu okukwanisa I think abala shot on target ama-teams abo malutshwana than le team which is yi-challenge le. And laba benkayi futhi bale confidence they keep position uyabona ukuthi kule direction maye siyaphambili.
But otherwise you are happy with a tournament le top 4 iDibula Matibula?
Yeah, I think ama-tournaments anja right so that ukuthi ama-teams awuphambi kudlala ileague ngelama-cup games ungelani at least even sebeqalisa ukuprepare for ileague ngama-tournaments akuyabancedisa ama-players nama-coach to see ukuthi bangaphi in terms of fitness.
Plus issue yena leyo ukhuluma ngayo ukuthi manje sokule sponsor ku league. That's why ibisebedlala ama-tournament anjengalawa le league yona self isile sponsor. Ukubona njani wena khona lokho?
I think kuyancedisa ama-players more labo badlala befighter so sebekwathi kule something than uphambi kudlala for fun. At least mase bedlala kwathi kule sponsor man of the match every player nxa ingena eground yayifuna ukuyithatha so uyabe fighter.
Maybe khona kwesikwenzayo eTape 3 TV siza ukuthi abanikazi bebhora bathini bayibona njani i-tournament yona leyo but otherwise seems so far abantu bahappy ngento ezenzakalayo. Inkaya iyalida manje ilida 2-0 ilida iWange sazi ukuthi kuyazala nkomo but ngani inkaya iyayithatha i-top 4 le yikho yini?
Yeah, it's true. I think it's obvious vele. Yeah, khona kuphela linjalo obe edamboni behlohla laba beWange the way aba-attacka ngayo.
La ibhora sibonana iWange ngeke equalize.
Hayi Wange lapha awuthembisa ilapha yenti inkaya le hayi lapha yenti.
Nice one bafowethu ngiyabonga. It's been a lovely having a chat with you Machenza. Come to Tape 3 TV.
Boss, how are you?
I'm Sharp, my brother.
Sharp tala.
Mnandi. Libona njani i-tournament le? So far inkaya ngani izidlalela mnandi iyakhokhela iyalidi iWange thuntu ngani iyayithatha icup le but overall libona njani i-tournament yona so far?
So far from my side I can see that Inka United is very strong with senior players. So far we can see there's a double press for Clopas Dube and their defense is so solid indeed. So far it's a very impressive game. But I can say Wange is playing a very good soccer. But I can say it's Wange, they are forward. So far so good. They are not doing very good. Yeah. So I can applaud what you call this Inka United. Kaizo is very solid. From defense midfield, and the finisher. So far, so good.
Nice one, my brother. Now, do you share the same sentiments or no different?
Okay, as for me, I think Nkai is actually playing very well, but I think they just have to maintain, because so far they are playing very well. So then Iwange, they still do have a chance to they equalize, but I think the top man of is not actually good. So I think you go for the meet I step. So far I think it's actually a single player or ngani achova over here. So you go for the but so far
overall in the tournament is all very good.
Yes, I was there Saturday.
So overall tournament itself, are you happy ngayo?
So far so good. Tournament was very good. We can't blame anything. Tournament was so perfect indeed. What I can say is that Wange played very well yesterday, and then Nkai played well yesterday because Iwange ended up coming to the final today to 2 penalty shootouts, and which was very good against PCC. Then Nkai United, my boy Tino Chitete made the opener goal for the tournament for them, for Nkai. So far so good too. They are playing very good. Tournament is so fair. There's no anything bad we can say. But so far so good. Yes. So far so good. Everything's on control. Perfect indeed.
Nice one, my brother. Ngiyajabula ukubona ukuthi izolo belikhona la namhla likhona. Lawe che kubuyi nathi izolo.
But angihlala ngesikhathi eside.
But overall i-tournament yona so far ibona njani?
I-tournament ishabu kakhulu because siyakhanya even for example i-play BCC like labafana abancane, so konkhana kuyaba booster like ukuthi be like bengene la begaming, so especially iBCC igcwele abafana abavela ku D2 and stuff. So ukudla uyabona bezama ukuthi bengene ku form ye D1, but lapha kunzima like there's a lot of competition. So I think if bengazama la ukuthi be maintain khona abakudlala, I think badlale sharp. Yabona kunzima ukuthi nxa ungumfana omncane la nxa sungena endaweni ezingalezi, so far la awukabi le experience
so bekhweza amasocks
so bekhweza amasocks. So I think at least ileague siyaqalisa nje next week, so sebekwazi thi hayi yabona nje ama team lazo ay 3 abadlala sebekwazi thi adlala njani, yabo. So ukulungisisa lama mistakes abayenzile then
ngiyakuzwa che wafa wena che ubona njani so far i-tournament?
I-tournament le i-right. Ngubona ukuthi iBCC ibila abafana abancane, they need to improve i-mindset yabafana abancane, and I can see that bedlala kahle abafana labana, but i-experience abalayo njengoba besibona ukuthi Nkai last season ibe very competitive, so vele they have all the experience for ama players asuka ku Premier, so you are ama majors of this tournament. So far so good, right, and the foot Iwange mele ingalahli ithemba, just keep believing.Eboren something just may come out. Tournament overall I good.
Nice one Machenzi, ngiyabonga. Nice one Machida. Nice one my brother. Nice one Machida. Ufuna uethe something?
Right. What I'm saying is I wish Nkai United and the family of Nkai United all the best, so that they can come to the PSL.
PSL.
Yes. Because so far so good. I heard my friend here saying these boys for PCC say they are saying they are not having experience in the staff. It's not like that. Because that same philosophy for all both coaches which are teaching them is same philosophy which are applying to the ground, to the pitch. You understand? So now we can't blame saying we've got youngsters in the old Matelas. We understand? So philosophy is same. So we can't blame them. What we're saying is what you are being taught by your technical staff to apply to the ground, to the field. And then if you can't apply that, and then those who have learned in the lesson, and they're going to excel. So that is the why Nkai United is so propelling very nice here.
Ngiyakuzwa. Nice one my brother, siyabonga nge-analysis yakho. Ungaba match analyst o blind. Ngiyabonga kakhulu my brother. Nice one Machida. Sharp Machida.
Sendeke
Mtala
baba linjani
ngiyabona happy kuthiwani
Nkayi United chimbi bafana ukuthi chimbi ukuthi bahlohla masinya
fast ujabulile yabona ukuthi inkayi yesiwinile lapha isithethi cup
yeah ngijabulile kakhulu
hayi
yenze njengochimbi
umdlalo uthi ujabulile chimbi inkayi isithethi cup yabona lijabulile lihappy
sihappy kakhulu sithi phambili ngenkayi yikho sala sibatshela ukuthi ekhaya kungaphi baba kusenkayi bengafake siyabangcwaba nga eKingdom Blue.
Nice one Mdala kutshoni kuwe njoba inkayi singama champions e top 4.
Hayi kuyabusiseka kakhulu. Sithi ayi romance iyahlohla. Inkayi vela ayi romance iyahlohla.
Ifaka phakathi.
Ichimbi bafana. Phakathi. Iromance yala mntwana.
Nice one Mdala. Nkayi United has been crowned the champions of the Tibula Top 4 tournament in the Breeze Pacific Southern Region Division 1 here at White City Stadium. Thank you for watching. It has been another exciting episode of our Pass and Move special. Remember to like, subscribe, share and engage us in the comment section. Thank you for watching.
Pass and move, pass and move. Pass and move. Mama sita tingo shakera mutuze. Pass and move, pass and move.